Hi guys, it's me again, and I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane that flies like a hovering car. Oh shoot, no, I did not work that time. I'm really sorry. But watch. Dang it. Let's try it down the stairs. Oh, I know the problem. Sorry guys. Really super sorry. So first sorry guys, I'm looking, okay, I fixed it like this. Oh my god, it's sorry guys, but it will not work at certain times, but it's called a loop-de-loop thingy, and a hovering car, because it's called a trick airplane. You can do lots of tricks off of it. So let's get right started. So first you'll need any kind of paper. It doesn't matter. So first what you want to do is fold this in half like that. I'm going to do that. Like normal. See, I'm doing a YouTube video. Open it up like this. Fold these two down like that. Okay, I'm going to do that. It doesn't really have to be exact, but just try to make it exact. Like that, turn it. Oh shoot, I forgot to say. No, do not do this. Instead of doing that, put this down like that. About an inch. So I got it down an inch. So when you got it down like that, you're gonna fold it. Hey, can you please get out of my room? The room. Okay. Now do both of the sides. Sorry, I don't have the tripod with me. Okay, now since we did that, we're gonna fold it up like that, and we have like this. Oh yeah, but do not put that line there. It was just an accident, guys. Okay, since I already did that, now we're gonna make the wings. You probably already know how to make the wings. If you don't, this is for you. So you're gonna fold it down like that, both sides. It doesn't matter how much. And if you don't already know how to make wings, you can skip this. Okay. Now open it up like this. Now over here we're gonna fold it like that. All the way to that part right there. So I'm just gonna do that on both sides. Now they should both be in different lengths. That's fine. And then when you fold it like that, we're gonna fold that one up like this. And now you got ourselves a trick airplane. Yeah, it goes pretty fast and that stuff, and it does loops. So bye guys, and that should help you.